Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word subs. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. I ordered 2 meatball subs for lunch. In this context, subs refer to submarine sandwiches, a type of sandwich made with a long roll of bread filled with various meats, cheeses, and toppings. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.